How can you qualify for an FHA loan? Everything from credit score requirements, employment, DTI, PMI, and appraisals will be discussed in today's video. My name is Jose.arvizu. I'm a loan officer in Texas, and my channel is here to help simplify the home ownership process through educational videos that teach you the ins and outs of mortgages and the home buying process. If you're thinking about buying a home soon, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also share it with any future homeowners that you know so they can be better prepared as well. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration, and it was created by the government with the purpose of helping more people achieve the dream of homeownership. They're able to do this by insuring your loan, which allows you to use a lower down payment when purchasing a property, and FHA loans have more lenient requirements when it comes to credit score and DTI. FHA loans are usually referred to as first-time homebuyer loans, but they are not just for first-time homebuyers. FHA loans are a great option and they make homeownership easily accessible. But much like everything else in life, there's pros and cons to the FHA program, which we will discuss in today's video. Let's discuss the two biggest things with an FHA loan: credit score and down payment. So credit score and down payment, they go hand in hand. Your down payment is dependent on your credit score. So if your credit score is at a 580 or above, the minimum down payment is 3.5%. If your credit score is between 500 and 579, the minimum down payment for an FHA loan is 10%. Quick little side note, these are requirements set forth by FHA. However, some banks have their own requirements, which we call overlays, added on top of these requirements. So let's say you went to a bank and you're trying to get an FHA loan and you have a 600 credit score, but they're telling you you can't get it. That means this particular bank has an overlay. So there's the government requirements, and this bank has added their own requirements to it. So maybe at that particular bank, they're not lending money to anyone that has a 620 or 640 and below. It just varies by bank. So when you're out there shopping for mortgages, make sure you know what the minimum credit score for that particular bank is. Employment requirements for FHA loans. The preferred scenario is that you have a consistent 2-year work history in the same line of work. However, in some cases, as long as you have a consistent 2-year work history, you'll be able to get a loan. Learn more about all the different employment scenarios by watching this video, which you'll see pop up. Let's discuss debt to income, or DTI, also known as how much can you qualify for. So with FHA loans, the DTI is pretty lenient. The maximum DTI is 56.99% or 57%. Quick review on DTI. You take all of your monthly recurring debt from your credit report, your anticipated monthly mortgage payment, you add those together, and then you divide it by your gross income, and that gives you your DTI percentage. Remember, the gross income is the income you make before taxes are taken out. Let's do a quick example. So in my example, I'm going to use $10,000 as the gross monthly income because it makes the math easy. But you'll see some different examples pop up on the screen. So if your gross monthly income is $10,000, the maximum DTI is 57%. So 57% of $10,000 is $5,700. So what does all this mean exactly? So basically what it means is, if all your recurring monthly debts and your anticipated monthly mortgage payment added together equals $5,700 or less, you will be able to qualify for that home with FHA financing. FHA is a great option to home ownership for those of you that still have student loan debt, maybe have a little bit more debt than you wish you did, or a relatively low income due to the fact that FHA has this higher DTI requirement, which makes it more easier to qualify. Another great thing about FHA loans is that you can actually use a gift to cover all the expenses associated with buying a home. So mom, dad, grandma, grandpa can actually gift you all the money needed to buy the home. This is not the case for all loan programs. Now let's discuss the biggest con of FHA loans, which is PMI. PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance, and there's 2 fees associated with it. So There's an upfront mortgage insurance premium, which is typically added into the loan, and it is 1.75% of the loan amount. And also you'll have monthly mortgage insurance that you'll be paying for as well. Unfortunately, the only way to get rid of mortgage insurance with an FHA loan is to refinance out of it. Or if you put 10% down when you originally bought the property, mortgage insurance will automatically fall off after 11 years. So yes, PMI is a negative aspect of FHA loans, but you have to remember, FHA is backed and insured by the government, which allows you to receive lower interest rate and more lenient requirements than other loan programs out there. Lastly, FHA loans are more strict when it comes to property requirements, specifically items dealing with health and safety. An FHA appraiser will call out things such as missing rails, chipping paint, or broken windows that need to be fixed before proceeding with the process. So to summarize, FHA loans are great loans. They have more lenient requirements that allow people to achieve the dream of homeownership. And they can do this because they are backed and insured by the government. Be sure to contact myself or a local loan officer when you're ready to purchase a home so you can go over all your options. But remember, if you have a lower credit score or a significant amount of debt, FHA is probably your best bet. If you learned something from today's video, do me a favor and like and comment on it. It really helps me out and allows me to reach more people. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with any future homeowners that you know so they can be better educated as well. If you'd like me to assist you in purchasing your next home, or if you just have any questions over mortgages or the homeownership process, please feel free to contact me. My contact information is down below. Like I always say, guys, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a wonderful day.